That's how every podium should be done right there. They go up to their own music that they make. Team making music. They're your winners. Congratulations once again. Sidewinder and Captain Uno. 6 points across the board. 4 wins through the entire spread. And what an exciting night that was. Second place, Team Radiator with a total of 5. And Mr. Noise and Jim G, Ready-Made RC, going to pull up 3rd overall. 3 wins, 1 loss, a total of 3 points, puts them in the number 3 spot. That was a lot of fun. Thank you, everyone, checking out our live stream and being with us here tonight.
Had fun, AA. We're going to have even more fun tomorrow night.
We're not racing tomorrow night. We're going to be driving home tomorrow night. But, yeah, we'll have a lot of fun tomorrow night as well.
All the people that are in the chat, I will never forget one of you. Just know that.
Oh, isn't that nice? That is the most nice thing that someone has ever said on a live stream. On behalf of Marshall Scully, the entire team at Ready-Made RC, my name is Joe Scully. Thank you for the pleasure of your company here tonight. This has been a presentation by Ready-Made RC. It's the 6th edition of FPV Fest.